Vancouver?
Yes, oo naman. Kasi this time around, twice lumabas ng bansa ang ASA.
Tama.
For the first time ata nangyari yun. And we're very excited na from England, after a month, nandito ulit kami sa Canada naman, sa ibang parte ng mundo.
Pao.
Ako naman, last time I was in Canada, it was also for ASA.
Oh, yeah.
We're going back to Canada. Sa ibang parte naman ng Canada for ASA.
So how with Kim na this time?
I'm very excited again to entertain our fellow kapamilyas here in Canada and to bring joy to sa mga